The engine blew up. The engine blew up. The engine blew up. Come on. There you go. Alright. We're at the moment of truth. We are taking out the engine today of the Project Miata.
I didn't bring the right part.
Before it blew up.
It's just gonna keep falling out. Look at this.
There's a spider on me.
Kill it. Eradicate it. So okay, oh yeah, since you're here now, when I fired it up at one time, smoke was coming from down here.
Was fired up again one time.
Oh hell no.
Ryan Garcia won, bro. What's your takes, bro? What's your takes?
Crazy,
Coke boy won.
Bro, he won, but he missed a weight, so he doesn't even get the belt now. Oh. Like it was basically for nothing, but he did get the dub, which was crazy. But I mean,
You think him and Tank fights again?
No, hell no.
You seen what Tank tweeted at him?
Probably something like
He
that.
said, pull up to the club. I got a Colt 45 and a bag of Coke for you.
Can you give me another tip?
I'll give you a certain type of tip. Which one? I'll give you the whole bunch. The whole lot.
Sure.
You don't got a screwdriver or some shit for him so you don't lose it again?
I couldn't find one off rip. I can call my dad and see if we have one anywhere.
Alright, so we're getting the transmission.
Knob out.
Yeah, that thing. What else do we need to do in here? That's it, right? And then
it's really just a shifter knob. Like you gotta get the shifter knob out.
look, how does this?
We can start draining coolants after that. We just gotta get it jacked.
Do you have the jack?
In the back of the Batmobile, yeah.
Is it gonna fit on this thing? It's super low.
It's, we lost it.
I dropped it. Good.
Calm down. The other thing we can look at too is, oh well, that's gonna be when we put the new engine in, but it was gonna be reconnecting the speedometer.
We don't gotta worry about that till we get the engine in here.
Get the engine in.
So yeah, we're just doing this right here.
And yeah, no, it's just gonna be draining coolants after that.
Oh, that's crazy. Mark ain't even here.
First thing is taking out the radiator.
All right, put it in neutral. Oh, you should have put it in neutral. It's good, whatever. Yeah, pull it straight up. Let me see what's in there. And that's it. That's it in here.
Cool. Do we have to wrap it up or anything?
That's the transmission
like the guy
fluid.
taped it up in the video.
Yeah, you have tapes or put a cloth in there so nothing falls in there. Because when we pull the
A rag or a fucking glove?
yeah, because we need to disconnect the drivetrain.
Napkins.
You with your napkins. Let me get up. All right, yeah, let me put this in bags. A little setup over here.
This ibuprofen is not helping this situation.
Oh, what you need?
I feel like mine's
How many
going
did
out
you
like
take?
Mark's a lot. It goes up to here, like it only jacks to like right here.
Oh yeah, the pistons are going
Maybe because I used it on the expedition.
in. That's why. All right, one more side. We got the Bluetooth. We got the Bluetooth jack on this side.
Where'd it go?
Watch your fingers. All right, car's in the air. Yikes. All right. Time to get to work.
I need to work.
Mic test. Mic test. Mic test.
Oh.
Ah, man, you're not even on the mic. There you go. Right. What's going on, guys? Your boy Mark here, and as you can see, we're at. Well, if you guys don't know, this is Gabe's Casa. We're not gonna need that anyway. House pad. We just broke a stud. Oh no way! But it's good though. We're not gonna need it. Okay, well. We're taking this bitch out. What's the plans with this?
1.8 swap it. So it's
1.8 swap.
It's making knock jokes.
It's making knock jokes?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Real bad
So
ones.
they already started. I'm gonna insert the clips that they already been recorded, but they're in the process of taking the motor out. So it should be pretty easy.
Oh my god.
Small motor. I think you just gotta disconnect the drive shaft. You gotta take off
All the hoses.
all the hoses back there on the firewall.
This one right here too.
Drain all the coolant, transmission fluid, oil, everything. You gotta drain every fluid.
Down here.
You gotta remove the throttle cable, fucking motor mounts. Everything gotta come
Throttle
off.
body, we got to take off of it because we're putting it on the new one. Because the guy, he doesn't have one, so we're just gonna put
So you've already talked to the guy, right?
a little bit, yeah. He wants a $100 deposit to get the engine out.
Okay.
So once we get this out, we're gonna message him, get the $100 deposit in, and then we're gonna go meet up with him, get the engine, and then hopefully it's back.
Okay.
It's back.
So is this like Facebook or like?
Yeah, so I found him on Facebook. He was on like a Miata part out page.
Okay.
I was like, all right, I'm gonna tap in because I've been looking for one forever. And yeah, he was like, all right. Bro said it would take him 20 minutes to take this engine out. And I was like,
us 3
here
hours.
we are in like the next hour.
It's gonna take us how many?
That's insane.
3 days. Huh?
He said 20 minutes. I
20
told him
minutes.
15 minutes for us.
Hey, 15 minutes.
I work.
Alright, watch. When I snap my finger, it should be out. Oh wait, still in here.
I'm on Shein and I've been looking at
What's good? Lil Yada Kev. Don't have a Yada no more. I got this Evo right now.
Man, they've been known.
But I like to be known as Lil Yada Kev, alright? I
Alright.
was known.
That's back in your youngin' days.
Alright, so anyways, I'm giving out. Not
Let's
giving
go
out,
back. Alright, go ahead.
Not giving out, but I'm also selling these. $5 a pop, 707 if you want to represent. Oh, hold on, it's a little dirty. It's a little dirty.
It is. Alright, watch this. Come here.
If y'all
I got
want
the
your
sticker on.
stickers, $5 for the small, and we're gonna do $7 for the big ones, and they're coming out soon.
Okay.
Hit me up. I got you with red,
Don't look at
pink,
this.
silver, and white.
What
You
colors?
got red, pink, silver, and white.
What colors?
Red.
I'm just kidding. Okay.
Still came out with this one.
the shorts. I have a green skirt.
Can't lose those. At a boat.
Only if it was this easy for your car, dude.
I'm getting my leg breathed.
Facts, dude. We spent 2 days doing your fucking headers.
Look, good thing I'm
Gabe is lucky because his is right next to the engine. Mine is all the way at the back.
Oh, hell no.
Nah, you just tell me.
We need to
Hey,
explain-
there it goes.
Hey, what's all that?
Yeah, you know what's funny? That's only the top half. We still got to do the bottom. It's good, bro. We only took out fucking from up here.
Who put this clamp on, bro? Why they put it upside down?
Is that coolant?
Yeah.
Oh, it's water. Something to drink.
Something to drink.
A little parched.
Is that lemon?
Man, I'm about to go home and get my tools.
Might as well. Or fucking what? Celebration.
Go get your tools. I'm tied up. Go get your tools.
Start launching shit.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Man.
You guys
Already.
in the block
Hey,
now.
you know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? He said 20 minutes, right?
It's been like an hour already. And we don't even have the exhaust off.
I'll be back.
Busted knuckles already. Oh, wait, never mind.
I ain't driving.
Oh, I just got back. I had to go home to get my tools. Because lacking of tools. So I was like, I'm going to go get my tools, huh?
Can't top it, bro.
There you go. Oh, look who's here. There you go. Hey, let me see the monsters.
Hey, let me put my 5 on this.
Hey, where's your Mustang? Oh.
It's on the street.
We
Oh,
back.
that's my green.
Alright, so while I went to go to the store, we took off the radiator fans. I took this off. They just drained the coolant. Wet. Oh, wrong way. Oh. Okay.
Are you draining the train right now?
Yeah.
Can't say that.
Alright, we're taking this off.
Alright, so it's been a little while. We just, shut up, not even. So we just took off the drive shaft. It was a pain. It was 4 bolts, and then just wiggle, and then you just pull that out.
Oh,
Radiator off.
need to get the wire off for the starter.
Oh yeah,
But we need a jacket. We need to get it up first, and then we can unbolt.
yeah.
That's
So,
like all the way down.
We're
there.
like 50% there.
Nah, we're more than 50%. We're
Yeah.
like
We
80%.
just took off
right
these. What are these called? The
hoses?
freaking no.
Oh! Hey, we started to remove these. These are the fuel lines.
Yeah,
Oh, no.
the heater core.
That's what they're called.
Yeah, took them off. Just pulled. Make sure you don't want to break this. If you break it, it's over. Now we just gotta remove that bolt that's down there. And I see that it's bolted onto the chassis down there. What happened?
Man, you working off the clock right now. Come on, get to work.
Hey, to work. Man, look at this. Hey, nothing. That should be cuts. Look at all the car. Look at the car. Man, that's Drake. So we just took off the Drake. Hey, what's the difference of that drive shaft and Drake?
Nothing.
You mean Tony?
He's grabbing the tip too. That's crazy.
Hey, what you looking
down
in
at
the?
it, making eye contact.
Hey.
No, I'm just looking at the splines.
Me? Yeah.
More is alcohol. Try and jack up the car and
Oh shit.
Fire today.
But we're almost done though. We have almost everything to pull out the car. But
Hey. All right, hey. Oh, hey.
it's on you, bro.
This one's in the air too. Hey, everyone has to grab a corner.
I don't know what to tell you.
Hey, everyone has to grab a corner.
Drop it.
Get under the car.
You can hell no. Lift it like this. Oosh.
Well, if anything, if it falls, we have that block under there.
Hey, just lower it slowly.
You know what we could do? We could put the tires back on.
You don't
It's
want to do it,
over.
huh?
It's over.
It's only up like 2 clicks.
Wait,
Hey,
wait.
no more up. No more up.
Hella fucking slow.
No more up, bro. Nah, Mark.
It's going that way.
Mark, it's sliding your way.
It's going your way, bro.
Gabe, what do we do?
It's over.
No, dude, it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Slap the wheels back on. Slap the real quick. Slap the wheels back on. Slap the wheels back on. Feet though. Watch your feet. Watch your feet. Watch your feet.
Don't move it. I'll bring it back.
Give me the gun. Mine are on. Pass me the gun. Mine are on.
Mine are on too.
Which one's the gun?
The big red one.
The big red one's right under the car, bro.
I see it right there.
Hey, who's going under? Bro.
Not it. Nose goes. Oh, you gotta. Oh, hold on.
Nah, I got it.
Oh, smart guy. Where's the spline?
Hey, that side's chilling. Hey.
Oh!
Hey, watch.
Do it again. No way. Oh no.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
So this might be the end of the video. Slow. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
You have to go down more.
Go more down. Go more down, dude.
Oh.
The back one landed.
It's twisted though. We would have to fix the front one.
That's as far as the jack can go.
Okay, bring it over here. And just jack up this right side.
How does that sound?
All right, so after a big, long time struggle, we're gonna get it tied up now, and then we're gonna get the motor mounts. After that, it's gonna go. Ooh! It's gonna fall. So then that's when we have that bitch, and then we just tilt it,
And then, hey, we're gonna pull it up slowly and see if there's anything still hung up on there.
there, yeah.
So the harder part was basically just the exhaust. That was the harder part.
So annoying.
Getting this one, the cats. Getting this one was the hardest one to get off. I need to get the headers off. Well, actually, no, we don't. We can just leave it on there and it'll just come with one.
once it comes up, we're gonna have to like move it with
Yeah.
here, jack it up a little bit. I want
Just
you
some tension.
So
not too much tension because remember I have to get into those bolts.
we already got everything off from the back, disconnected, and from under it.
It's not late. It's not late at night at all. It's real like 6 or 7. Okay. Okay. Drop the tension a little bit because remember the motor mounts are.
Ew.
Keep going. Keep going. Just keep going.
What was that?
It's just it's heart's getting taken out. Oh, dude, these fucking things are gone.
You don't even have.
Oh my goodness, dude! Look how chewed up these are. What are you
Show that
doing?
shit.
Look at this. Gone. On fingers? Watch fingers. Okay. Oh. What happened?
Oh.
Oh. Hold on. Back a little bit. Drop the fucking thing real quick.
Just a little bit.
The bumper's coming off.
Undo what we did.
We could have put a carpet up against it.
It still would have been. You have a 10, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay.
use a lug nut.
A lug nut?
Yeah.
That should be it, bro.
You'll have to, too.
I feel like it's weighing it down.
There, you got room.
What happened?
What happened? We just took off the bumper. Look. We just took off the bumper. Oh, almost fell. Took off the bumper. Let's assess the damage.
No, it's fine.
Oh shit.
She's fine. Oh, just this, but just a quick little scent, and it's good.
What happened to it?
It's out. It's out.
Keep going.
God damn, you're a fucking heavy bitch.
Well, hold up. Alright, you good?
Hit them with the lasers once you're done with that shit.
There it goes.
Hit them with the lasers. Yeah.
I ain't recording.
Oh my!
Yeah.
We got this light right here.
Oh,
Is it magnetic?
Huh? No, it's got a chingadera hook.
Whee, chingadera. Hold on.
Flip it.
Hey, let's use this to pull the motor.
Oh yeah.
Alright, yeah.
Are we ready?
Everything's free.
Alright,
I think we're cherry, bruh.
you're good to go. You got the green light.
Alright, let's go. Ready?
Good.
Jack this bitch.
There's no rubber.
Holy fuck.
I feel, dude, the guy that sold this. Oh my god. Are you ready?
Static life. You dig?
We going?
Yeah, go.
Clear on this side.
You're clear on this side.
3, 2, 1, go.
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 Your engine is off.
We might have to start
The
pulling it
car.
out now.
Yeah.
Start pulling back. Wait.
Oh my god.
That would have been bad.
Now you had hella space.
Oh my god. No, it like, I don't know. I got it too. Dude, I'm looking at the transmission on the floor right now, bro.
Oh, that's some. What the fuck?
Alright.
We have to go higher
You would
now.
have had a robot
Look,
finger.
you hit your fucking your frame.
You bent it a little bit.
It's aluminum.
Light.
There you go. One more. Okay, we're good.
Okay, good. All right, Eric and Mark. Grab the transmission because it's gonna.
Don't let go of it, bro.
Don't let go.
Oh my god.
Ready? Go. There you go. Watch out. Okay, it's out of the car. That's all that matters. Yeah. I got it.
I can slowly drop it down and just lay it on the ground.
Hey, put it where you need to put it. Put it like over there.
Right here. This is fine. This is fine right
Okay,
here.
hold on.
Let go.
No, bro, my fucking hands get smashed.
Let go. I'm
Slowly.
here.
Slowly.
Let go.
Oh, you're hella good. Oh, this shit's gonna be.
Oh my
It's
god.
on the thing.
Oh
Hey,
my
it's
god.
on the
It's
fucking.
done.
It's on the thing.
Yes. Oh my god.
Fucking
It's
hell,
like your
dude.
car just gave birth.
We just did a heart transplant.
Oh my.
We barely took it out. We still gotta put it in.
I know.
Holy god, dude. Let's see the damage.
Still
Let me
looking
see.
for my light. Oh, it's right there.
It's good, bro.
All this.
Right there.
Okay.
It's
now you gotta
out
take it, put
of
the
the
Can we
car.
slowly lower it down?
Just so it's not hanging like that.
No, it's fine if it
Not like
hangs.
that.
I just need a bug.
We could roll it to like here so it's
Oh my god. Yeah, it's fine. We could roll it over there.
You know what we should do? Hey, you know what we should do when we put it back on? Remove this front thing.
Remove the front
Get
end.
the intro,
Remove
bro.
the front.
Get the intro. We put the hood on him, right? And he opens it and he comes out.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Your boy Mark. And today we're going to be replacing a motor.